Thinking about getting a bikini or Brazilian wax but not sure where to start? Whether you're doing it at home or heading to a salon, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, prepping, waxing, and aftercare, to get the smoothest, irritation-free results. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more self-care and beauty tips. Before we get into the process, let's quickly go over the difference between a bikini wax and a Brazilian wax. A bikini wax removes hair along the edges of your underwear line, just a cleanup. A Brazilian wax removes almost all hair from the front to the back. Some people choose to leave a small strip or shape, while others prefer to go completely bare. Quick note: if you have sensitive skin, certain medical conditions, or are using strong skincare products like retinol, waxing may not be the best option for you. Always check with a dermatologist if you're unsure. Prepping your skin before waxing is just as important as the waxing itself. It helps reduce pain, prevent irritation, and get the best results. Here's your pre-waxing checklist. Exfoliate 24 hours before to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Trim your hair to about 1/4 inch. Too short and the wax won't grip too long and it'll be more painful. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before waxing. They can make your skin more sensitive. And if you're worried about pain, take a mild pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing. Now let's go through the actual waxing process. If this is your first time, take it slow, be patient, and don't rush. Clean and dry the area. Wash with gentle soap and pat completely dry. Lightly apply baby powder. This helps absorb any moisture. Heat the wax properly. It should be warm, not too hot. Always test it on your wrist first. Apply wax in small sections. Spread in the direction of hair growth. Hold skin taut and pull quickly. Remove the strip in the opposite direction of hair growth. Press the area gently. This helps minimize discomfort. Clean up any residue. Use baby oil or coconut oil to remove excess wax. Common mistakes to avoid: applying too much wax, thin layers work best. Pulling the strip slowly, this increases pain. Waxing over the same spot multiple times, this can cause irritation. After waxing, your skin will be a little sensitive, so here's how to keep it smooth and irritation-free. Apply aloe vera or a gentle moisturizer to soothe the skin. Wear loose-fitting cotton underwear to avoid irritation. Avoid hot showers, pools, and workouts for 24 hours. Exfoliate after 48 hours to prevent ingrown hairs. What not to do after waxing: no tight clothing or synthetic fabrics. No touching or scratching the area. Avoid harsh products like perfumes or alcohol-based lotions. Here are some common questions about bikini and Brazilian waxing. Does waxing hurt? A little, but it gets easier over time. Regular waxing makes hair grow back finer and weaker. How long does a Brazilian wax last? Typically 3 to 4 weeks before noticeable regrowth. Can I wax at home or should I go to a professional? Beginners may prefer a professional wax, but at-home waxing can be just as effective if done correctly. And that's everything you need to know about bikini and Brazilian waxing. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more self-care and beauty content. See you in the next one.